NFTs are designed to function like certificates of authenticity, as opposed to cryptocurrencies, which can be used as a store of value or a kind of digital cash. They allow you to own a fraction of a digital asset's representation. NFTs in healthcare offer a special opportunity since patients, not businesses, control their health data. Instead of letting businesses profit from their data as in the past, patients could use this level of autonomy to monetize it. Let's dive in to find out about NFT in healthcare and more. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to get updated whenever we drop a new video. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and comment in the section below if you have any contributions. To get started, let's take a look at the dilemma of the medical data. In the US, over $1.2 billion worth of patient records are created annually, but 80% of that data is unorganized and open to abuse and theft. The fact that patients are unaware of the final destination of their healthcare data after it has been collected. According to research by bioethicist Kristen Kostick-Quinet, assistant professor at the Center for Medical Ethics and Health Policy at Baylor College of Medicine, is one of the major problems with healthcare data. There are now few major companies dominating the market for healthcare data sharing, giving patients little reason to participate in determining who has access to their data. Sensitive medical data, such as hospital records or genetic markups, has become a very valuable commodity as AI and big data become more and more crucial to drug research. Frequently, such data is acquired, transferred, or sold without the patient's knowledge or agreement. According to Kostick-Quinet's research, a new sector is trying to re-identify anonymous medical data obtained from hospitals or diagnostic facilities, link it with user information from social media platforms, produce comprehensive profiles of people, and then sell them to other people. NFT and other smart contract technologies offer the possibility of digital ownership. It promises to protect patient records and democratize access to confidential medical information. So, how could NFTs be used in the healthcare industry? Number 1. Enabling patients to manage and earn money from their data. When NFTs are used to collect medical data, they could act as a de-identified and patient-controlled version of a person's medical records, with strict guidelines for how the information can be collected and used. NFTs also have a built-in feature that the owner can monitor. Patients would be able to track the whereabouts of their medical information and make those responsible for its unauthorized use accountable. Every time they permit a company to utilize their data, they will also receive royalties. For example, the healthcare technology company Monetize serves as a medical NFT marketplace where patients can do business using their health information. Number 2. Enlisting volunteers to take part in studies and clinical trials. By allowing patients to submit their data and profit from it, businesses that offer digital health services can adopt an NFT strategy to entice patients to engage in research. Through a digital marketplace, patients could be contacted directly by other third parties who want to use the data for study or to develop new solutions. Patients now have the option to reveal their data in a more educated manner, which is the main distinction between this system and the previous one. The underlying blockchain technology and an NFT certification could hence increase transparency about the use of patient data and give individuals ownership over their medical records. For instance, clinical trial platforms and healthcare organizations use the decentralized software engine rights hash to track and manage patient permission for clinical studies via NFTs. Number 3. Enhancing the blood bank supply network. Numerous blood donation organizations have already started employing this technology and promoting NFT blood donations. An individual token that can be tracked across the system is issued to blood donors. From the moment the donation is transported to the hospital, through the blood bank, and to its target recipient, it could then be traced. The blood is then stored by its NFT in a virtual blood bank, where the demand for different blood types can be tracked via a blockchain system and delivered to the areas that need it the most. For instance, NFTs are used by Bloodchain, a startup that uses blockchain to track biological items to reduce bottlenecks in the supply chain for biological products like blood donations. The Bloodchain network allows anyone to donate blood, making this company effectively an open social blood bank. Using Bloodchain, people may securely register their blood types in a distributed blood bank that can meet demand and supply in real time. The demand for blood from particular hospitals would be estimated using AI-based apps in addition to the data collected on the blockchain. As a result, blood would be delivered instantly to certain hospitals. Number 4. Assisting in the fight against fake medicines. Blockchain and NFTs have the potential to speed up the verification process, which will aid in the fight against fake pharmaceuticals. NFTs leave behind digital traces or a token ID that is permanently attached to an object. Each NFT's uniqueness is determined by the data contained in its metadata, which refers to priceless digital assets that are updated in real time on the blockchain. By creating an immutable ledger record, NFTs reduce or perhaps eliminate discrepancies and apparent fraud. NFTs may protect and expedite the tracking process for medications, enabling errors to be found immediately. This suggests that any issues, including locating and removing illicit prescriptions from the system, can be fixed considerably more swiftly. Several pharmaceutical organizations currently interact with trading partners and authenticate their products using the MetaLedger database. Pharmaceutical businesses can keep product data in a single database that is accessible to all trading partners thanks to the blockchain-based MetaLedger network. The network is now working on an NFT-based substitute. Number 5. Data security for health tracking applications. With the popularity and acceptability of wearables, at-home exercise equipment, and other health tracking devices growing, more individuals are asking how to use health data effectively while controlling it properly. Entrepreneurs are embracing NFTs as a way to decentralize data collection, increase access, and give patients back ownership of their health information because they see an opportunity in them. This enables them to respond to consumer concerns about data privacy and security and safeguard users' data from misuse, theft, and cyber hacks. For instance, NFT minting company Engine recently collaborated with online health resource Health Hero to create the Go health tracking app to make personal activity and health data from well-known apps like Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. Users could create a well-being NFT there, which is safer and more verifiable. What then does the future holds? It is now urgently necessary to handle the data effectively while preserving patient autonomy and security as a result of the expansion of personal and health data, as well as the growing emphasis by healthcare organizations on patient centricity. As the globalization of healthcare continues to pick up speed, it is becoming more and more important to monitor and regulate medical and pharmaceutical equipment. These elements combine to create the perfect setting for NFTs to address these problems and improve patient experiences across the healthcare industry. The widespread application of NFTs shortly, particularly in the healthcare sector, faces certain substantial obstacles. NFTs are still susceptible to problems with data security, privacy, and infringement of intellectual property. Furthermore, due to their complexity, NFTs may not be used to their full potential by the general public. In contrast, blockchain technology is quite pricey and uses a lot of energy for very few transactions. High greenhouse gas emissions, which are a factor in climate change, are also connected to this. Alternatives to NFT minting are being developed, albeit they may only consume a small portion of the processing power now needed in their transactions. NFTs are currently in the early stages of development, but in the coming years, this technology may advance further and provide patients with total control over their data and medical records. Before NFTs in healthcare become widely used, there are still several significant obstacles to be solved, but their potential is still astounding. But hey, what do you think? Do you believe NFT in healthcare has the potential to hit it big? How feasible do you think patients could monetize their health data? Let's have your opinion in the comment section below. We hope the video was insightful. Please smash the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the post notification bell so you do not miss out on future videos like this. Thanks for watching. Cheers.